Imagine a millionaire who spends his fortune not just on luxury, but on mastering the art of survival in the wild. Meet Alex, a finance mogul turned adventurer whose love for the natural world took him from high-rise penthouses to remote jungles of the Amazon. Investing in top experts, he learned to track animals, navigate uncharted terrains, and utilize natural resources for sustenance. This unique passion led him to install survival gear modifications into his private jet, ensuring preparedness for any journey. Delving into his story reveals how nature not only nurtured his profound sense of adventure, but also refined his strategic thinking, creating a lifestyle that's as intriguing as it is inspiring.